Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here at Aston Martin of Bellevue, and I will be taking a quick look at the 2021 Aston Martin Roadster. And this is the 2021 Aston Martin Vantage Roadster. Beautiful car. And it's equipped with these massive Pirelli tires. Here, this is what the front of the Roadster is like. And here you have this beautiful LED light. Now this Vantage Roadster costs about $180,086. This is powered by a 4.0 liter V8 engine. This exterior color is called the magnetic silver. And this V8 that powers the this beautiful car is a twin turbo that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. And the transmission is mid mounted, so which helps in controlling like the performance and the weight. And these are 20-inch wheels and tires. And if you look in there, there's Aston Martin boldly written on the brick calipers, and I really love the rotors. And these are 295 35 0.20-inch wheels and tires. And you come to the back, you have Aston Martin boldly written. And this Roadster produces about 503 horsepower, which is not bad. And this is what the interior is like. Beautiful interior. Now, for those who know me, Aston Martin is one of my favorite brand. Like if I want to buy like a luxury car today, it's going to be Aston Martin, because I have a soft spot for Aston Martin. And this interior color is called have your controls, the pace, the park, and which is really nice. I love how big the buttons are. There's no confusing it for any other thing, which is really awesome. And here, these are the controls that you have on the steering wheel. Now this is a two-seater, so you can see back there is a speaker right there. And the leather is really nice, and these bolsters feels very firm, which is nice. Yeah, so what do you think about this 2021 Aston Martin Vantage Roadster? Please leave your comment in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell notification icon so that when I post future videos like this, you will be among the first to see my videos. And I'll see you next time.